I got asked this a little while ago. Teddy, how do you create a LinkedIn group? I can't find the icon. And once I find it, how do I do it? So let me show you how to do this. You're right. I mean, by default, I can't see any icon here. Go to the home page. There's no icon, but here's where it's hiding. It's actually in two places. I can go to For Business, and there's Groups. Click on Groups. Actually, it's only in one place. You got to click on Groups. You got to come out of this, and there's Create a Group. Now I can click on Create a Group and go through the process. First of all, I highly recommend a banner image, and I highly recommend a profile image. So I'm going to do a profile image. I'm just going to do something for the sake of doing something. Let me go get a wacky image. I'm going to use this image right here. Let's use, that one, yeah. So there's an image that I'm going to use for my logo. I can do filters if I want to and do some wild stuff with this and hit apply. You also need a banner image. If you click on the pencil here to add a banner, it'll tell you it needs to be 1774 by 444. It's the recommended image. Let me go get a wide image. Let me go find a wide image. This is not the right image. You can see that's pretty screwed up. So I'm just going to, here, that's not so bad. And I'll hit apply. So I got an image there. It's not the right image. Now you need a name. You absolutely inspiring entrepreneurs in DC. That's not my name. My name of this is going to be Join Teddy on a Wild Adventure. Check my grammar, check my spelling. Now you need a description. You get 2,000 characters to put a description in here. So I wrote a wild description for this wild adventure group. Now the new feature of LinkedIn groups is to add an industry, and I can put travel. Can I put travel? Travel arrangements, that's fine. And the location of the group, I'm going to put it as, worldwide. Now you want some rules. And there's 4,000, interestingly, twice as many characters for rules. You really do want to put some rules. You want to think of the kind of rules that would be relevant to a group. I wrote some really high-level rules about this group, but again, I really recommend you have some rules to your group. As you're creating the group, you can make it public so that anyone on or off of LinkedIn can see the post in the group, but only group members can comment or add posts. Or you can make the group private and only members can see posts in the group. No one else will ever see the content. And once you choose public or private, you can't change it after that. So make a decision which way you want it to be. Discoverability, it can be listed on LinkedIn or unlisted on LinkedIn. If you want it 100% private, you also probably want it 100% unlisted. Permissions allow members to invite their connections to the group and require new posts to be reviewed by admins or not. You can turn that on or off, either one of those, how you want. And then you create the group. Now, once you do this, I'm going to create the group. Now, once you do this, what I recommend is a couple things. First of all, put some content in there that the group members may be interested in. Secondly, start inviting people who are highly relevant to that group. And when you invite them, encourage them to do two things. Encourage them to periodically share relevant content in the group. And probably the most important thing to invite them to do is to engage on fellow group members' content. If you don't have people who want to share relevant content, if you don't have members who want to engage on the content, you might as well not have a group, because that's what it's all about. It's all about sharing relevant content and engaging on other members' content. This is the basics of creating a group. And I highly recommend that if you do invest time to make a group, that you invest time to grow the group. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.